problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ka Kynhun Myntri ke jela Meghalaya kala Mynjur ya lai Tylli aka ke bakenthop ya ka Meghalaya shaksha management rules arajar arpusan ka Meghalaya electronic processes issuance service and execution rules arajar arpusan but ka Meghalaya guidelines community services arajar arpusan u commissioner but secretary katanat korbari uba Cyril Vidi Dingdo ulong bai kini rule ajung Mynjur hadian kejing slok kebasani bak yang syari Meghalaya High Court ban penteri kami ki an ki bakentop ya ka BNSS bat ka BSA uletho ba ka Meghalaya shaksha management rules arajar arpusan hag babaro kisaki belalum di kor elektronik lagi long video ki dor lathap lagi mobile app jang ka shaksha uba Cyril uletho ru ba hag Meghalaya electronic processes issuance service and executive rules arajar arpusan lasha ban penon kam ki kor elektronik habakot hajar haba ay ka warrant bat kibi kam yang syari ka bapenduna ya kejeng penon kam ki kot bat kibi kat bah ka bayday bat ka Meghalaya guidelines community services arajar arpusan kan dai ka ban pentre kam ka hukum ban syakri ki emlang salang kum kejeng pesaja ki tu ginong le ya ki kambam man ki berit baria
Meghalaya e-Saksha Management Rules 2025. This is the rule to ensure that all evidence that is collected in electronic format, be it videos, be it photographs, are securely uploaded on a mobile application called e-Saksha, which will be secured with a 16-digit code and a hashtag. And these are linked to the CCTNS system and the ICJS system, which is the interoperable criminal justice system, which works in a way where courts have access to the system, the Directorate of Prosecution have access. And once this electronic evidence in the form of video or photograph which is collected by the police during investigation is uploaded, a unique ID is generated so that this can be then brought as evidence in the court proceeding during trial, and then it is secure and tamper-proof because it has a timestamp, it has a geo tag, it has this 16-digit code, a unique SID. So this will ensure that the evidence collected is having full integrity, it is tamper-proof, and the courts can then rely on this video evidence, photograph evidence, to try cases under various provisions of the criminal laws. So this is the first rule that I spoke about, the Meghalaya e-Saksha Management Rules. The second rule that the Honorable Cabinet approved today was the Meghalaya Electronic Processes Issuance, Service and Execution Rules 2025, which have been framed under Section 64 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. This also is a reform to ensure that summons that are given to various persons to appear in court through the court system or the police are now done in the electronic format, that is e-summons, can be issued, warrants can be issued, etc. So that through the electronic format, through something called the e-summons procedure and the case information system, which is a software developed to ensure that all the courts are on this system, and through the CCTNS, these summons can be issued through the electronic format without the need to issue through the paper format, which has been the current method. So this is also a reform that has been introduced today. The last rule that the Honorable Cabinet approved is called the Meghalaya Guidelines for Community Services 2025. Now, this is also a reformative measure, as we know that when a person commits a crime and is convicted, usual punishment is either imprisonment in a jail or a fine. This is bringing a new type of punishment which is called a community service, which means that for petty offences, minor offences, the honorable courts can sentence a person who is convicted of petty offences to community service, which includes, for example, cleaning and maintenance of wards in government hospitals, trolley movement assistance in government hospitals, arranging of books or listing of books in, say, government libraries, cleaning of classrooms or labs, etc., in government educational institutions, or cleaning with municipal corporation and cleaning staff, including planting of trees, removal of weeds, etc., in plantations run by forest department. So these are basically community service that the person who's convicted of minor offences has to undertake to serve as a sentence after conviction in a court of law. So to summarize, these are three new criminal laws, that three new criminal rules, which have to be brought in line with the rest of the country as per the mandate from the MHA to take forward the implementation of the three new criminal laws in the state of Meghalaya, which have today been approved by the cabinet.